Ever wondered how some companies seem to always have the funds to keep their employees happy? Maybe they offer perks like early access to paychecks or even on-demand advances. Well, you're not alone. More and more businesses are turning to innovative solutions like Beforepay to improve employee financial wellness. But which U.S. companies are actually using it? That's what we're diving into today. In today's fast-paced world, employees are looking for more than just a paycheck at the end of the month. They need flexibility and control over their finances. That's where on-demand pay solutions like Beforepay come in. This revolutionary platform allows employees to access a portion of their earned wages before payday, giving them the financial freedom they crave. Imagine needing to cover an unexpected expense, a car repair, a medical bill, or even just a sudden grocery run. With Beforepay, employees can access their earned wages instantly, reducing stress and improving their overall financial well-being. This can lead to increased job satisfaction, reduced employee turnover, and a more productive workforce. But the benefits aren't just for employees. Beforepay also offers significant advantages for employers. By offering on-demand pay, companies can attract and retain top talent, improve employee morale, and even boost productivity. Plus, many Beforepay solutions are integrated with existing payroll systems, making implementation seamless. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Which U.S. companies are actually using Beforepay? While a complete list might not be publicly available, we can highlight some key industries and company types that are likely to benefit from this innovative solution. Retail and hospitality. These industries often employ hourly workers who may experience unpredictable income fluctuations. Gig economy. Companies in the gig economy, such as ride-sharing and delivery services, can benefit by offering their independent contractors access to earned wages more quickly. Small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs can leverage Beforepay to improve employee satisfaction and attract top talent without the complexities of traditional financial products. So, how can you find out if a specific company uses Beforepay? Check their careers page. Many companies will highlight employee benefits, including on-demand pay options, on their careers pages. Research their employee reviews. Employee review sites like Glassdoor and Indeed often provide insights into company perks and benefits. Contact the company directly. You can always reach out to the company's HR department to inquire about their employee benefits package. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.